Hello children, welcome back to maths class. We have learned about metric measures. Measure the units we are using to measure height and weight. Measure the length and weight, and we are going to solve some questions about the measurement of length. The question is, Paul buys 10 bags of onions. Each bag has 8 kg of onions. What is the total weight of the onions? Therefore, you have to find the total weight of the onions. There are 10 bags of onions and each bag contains 8 kg. Therefore, we need to write the steps. Then how do we write the steps? First, it is given that there are 10 bags. Therefore, write the number of bags. Number of bags. Number of bags is equal to, there are 10 bags, therefore number of bags equal to 10. Then next sentence given that each bag contains 8 kg of onions. Then weight of one bag. Weight of one bag is equal to 8 kg. Then what is the total weight? Then the next step is total weight. Total weight. It is very easy now how to find the total weight. There are 10 bags and each bag contains 8 kg. Then the total weight is 10 into 8 kg. What is 10 into 8? 10 8s are 80. And you should write kilogram because it is the weight of something. The unit for weight are gram, kilogram or milligram, and the here the weight is given in kilogram. Therefore, the total weight also you should write in kilogram. Whenever the units are given, you should mention that unit in the answer also. Write this in the notebook. Then second question, if the cost of 1 kg of apples is 78 rupees, then what is the cost of 500 gram of apples? Given that the cost of 1 kg of apples. From that, you need to find the 500 gram of apples. And do you remember 500 gram is equal to how many kilograms? The previous class, we have studied that half kilogram is equal to 500 gram. Therefore, we need to find the weight cost of half kilogram. Therefore, here also we need to write the steps. Therefore, the steps are, first, what will be the first step? Cost of 1 kg of apples. That is cost of 1 kg. Cost of 1 kg is equal to rupees 78 rupees. Then convert that gram, 500 gram to kilogram. Then 500 gram is equal to how many kilogram? That is equal to half kilogram. Then to find the cost of half kilogram, find the half of the cost. Then cost of 500 gram of apples. Cost of 500 gram of apples is equal to cost of half kilogram of apples. Half kilogram of apples. Half kilogram of apples is half the cost of 1 kg of apples. Therefore, that is rupees 78 divided by 2, because 78 rupees is the cost of 1 kg. Then cost of half kilogram is 78 rupees divided by 2. Then divide. You all have studied the division, 78 by 2. Then take the first number 7. How many 2's are in 7? Say the multiplication table of 2 and find out how many times 2 contains in 7. 2 3's are 6. Therefore, write 3 in the quotient part. 2 3's are 6. Then subtract 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the next digit 8. Then in 18, how many 2's are there? and we know that 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Then subtract. Therefore 0. That means the cost of half kilogram of apples is 39 rupees. Therefore, from 1 kilogram cost of 1 kilogram of apples, we have found the cost of half kilogram of apples by dividing the cost by 2. Write this in the notebook. And the third question, the weight of 6 bags of sugar is 30 kilogram. What is the weight of one bag if each bag has the same weight, and the weight of one bag you should find that in gram. The weight of 6 bags of sugar, that is the total weight of 6 bags, that is 30 kilogram. The weight is given in kilogram, then we want the weight of one bag in gram. First find out the answer in kilogram, then convert that to gram. Therefore, write the steps. Then to write the steps, we need to write the given things. The given things are weight of 6 bags. Weight of 6 bags is equal to 30 kg. The unit used to measure weight is kilogram. Therefore, weight of 6 bags is equal to 30 kilogram. Then what we should find? Weight of one bag. Weight of one bag. How do we find? The weight of 6 bags are given, and how can we find the weight of one bag from that? Yes, divide. Weight of 6 bags divided by number of bags. Therefore, 30 divided by 6. And you know that 30 divided by 6 is what? Say the multiplication table of 6 and find how many 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. That means 5 kilogram. And we got the answer in kilogram, but we need to find the weight of one bag in gram. Therefore, convert that kilogram to gram. How can we convert? To convert that, you write the units in descending order, kilogram and gram. To convert kilogram to gram, what we should do? Multiply by which number? Multiply by 1000. Kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. Therefore, to convert 5 kilogram to gram, multiply 5 into 1000. Multiply 5 by 1000, that much gram. 5 into 1000 is 5000 gram. Therefore, weight of one bag is equal to 5000 gram. Write this also in the notebook. And the next question, fourth question, how many kilograms of rice does Raghav need to add to a bag weighing 2 kilogram 400 grams to make it weigh 14 kilogram? What's the meaning of the question? Do you understand the question? How many kilograms of rice he needs to add a bag weighing 2 kilogram 400 grams to make it 14 kilogram? He is having a bag of rice with the weight of that bag is 2 kilogram 400 gram. He needs 14 kilogram of rice. How many more rice he needs? That's the question. That means 14 kilogram minus 2 kilogram 400 gram, or 2 kilogram 400 grams plus what is equal to 14 kilogram. Therefore, first write the given things. What is given? The weight of rice in the beginning. He is having 2 kilogram 400 grams of rice with him. He wants 14 kilogram of rice. For that, how much rice he need? That's a question. Therefore, weight of rice in the beginning. Weight of rice in the beginning is equal to 2 kilogram 400 gram. 400 gram. Then the next one is how many more weight of rice he needed. Weight of more rice he needed. Weight of more rice he needs or need he needs is equal to 14 kilogram minus 2 kilogram 400 gram. Look at the weights. The first thing is in kilogram and the second thing is given in gram and kilogram. Therefore, convert the full thing into gram. Then 14 kilogram, convert 14 kilogram to gram. 14 kilogram to gram, to convert that kilogram and gram, to convert that 14 kilogram to gram, multiply by what number? Multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. 14 into 1000 gram. 14 into 1000 gram minus 2 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 2 kilogram is 2000 gram. Then 2000 plus 400, that is 2400 gram. Do you understand how do we get this 2 kilogram 400 gram as 2400? First convert 2 kilogram to gram, that is 2 into 1000, 2000. Then plus 400 gram. 2000 plus 400 is 2400. Then 14 into 1000 is 14,000. 14,000 gram minus 2400 gram. Then subtract 14,000 minus 2400. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and you can't subtract 4 from 0. Therefore, borrow 1 from this 4 and it will become 3, and this 10 will become 0, 0 will become 10. Then 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, and this one. Therefore, 14,000 minus 2400 is 11,600 gram. Then look at the question. The question is how many kilograms? In the question it is asked that how many kilograms, and we got the weight in gram. That means convert this gram to kilogram. Then 11,600, we can split it as 11,000 plus 600, isn't it? 11,000 plus 600, that much gram. That is 11,000 gram plus 600 gram. And we know that 11,000 gram is 11 kilogram and 600 gram. That means he needs 11 kilogram 600 gram of rice more to make the weight of the rice as 14 kilogram. Therefore, write this also in the notebook. And here are some homework. Let us try 9.2, question number 5, 7 and 11. That's all for today's class.